Now for the sample question number 1, it's showing that the question is given function fx is the image is 3x minus 2. Find the value of the x when fx maps onto itself. The second is the value of h such that f, the object is 2 minus h and the image is 4h. Let's try A first. Now we have to understand that the question says the value of x when fx maps onto itself, meaning that whenever you have a question maps onto itself means the image and the object is the same. In this case, the object is x, so the image will be also x. Now when we do this working, it's going to be like this. So fx equals to this arrow, we change it to equals, it becomes 3x minus 2, and it maps into itself, all right, onto itself, so it becomes equals to x. So any equation we shouldn't have two equals, so we can write it as 3x minus 2 equals to x. So 3x, bring it here, become x, and here become 2. 3x minus 2 is 2x equals to 2, and x equals to 2 divided by 2, you get 1. So the answer of the value of x is 1. Right. When you look into question number B, question B, the value of h such that f2 minus h equals to 4h. Now in this case, as I saw it in my earlier video, if you put let's say you put a 2 here, here will become 2. You put a b here, it will become b here. So in this case, your object is 2 minus h. So when I put 2 minus h here, you have to make the whole thing, this x is 2 minus h, and your image is equals to 4h. So let's try. So when you have fx equals to 3x minus 2, but when you're referring to the question is f2 minus h, now you're going to put all this into this x, which is 3, 2 minus h minus 2. Now the whole thing, the image is equivalent to 4h. Now you shouldn't have two equals, so we expand it, so we can just write it such way, okay, equals to 4h, expand it, 3 times 2, 6 minus 3 times h, 3h minus 2 equivalent to 4h. Now we group up all the h one side and all the numbers one side. So you always group up the alphabets on the left hand side. So here will become 3h minus 4h equivalent to, here you go, here become 2, here positive 6 will become minus 6. All right, so in this case, minus 3 minus 7 will become minus 4, will become minus 7h. 2 minus 6 will become negative 4. So h is equivalent to negative 4 divided by negative 7, so h is equivalent to 4 over 7. All right, definitely it looks a bit weird, this answer, but let's check. 3 times 2, 6, 3 times h is minus 3h, and then we have 4h here, and then when you bring here, it will become minus 4. Here when you go here, it will become 2. Here positive 6, it goes here minus 6, so 4. All right, negative 3 minus 4h is minus 7h, negative 4, and h is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 7, so h is equal to 4 over 7. So the answer definitely is correct.